My name is Carlos Cortes, and I'm the artist leading the window garden project. And you can get in touch with your tree friend, and you can do a little bit of dancing with trees again, and you get that connection with nature going, and you feel inspired again. And then once we've done that, we will just wander around and look around for leaves that are going to be inspiring the next part of the project. We are going to think as we are doing it that these leaves are somehow like a metaphor of our friends, our connections, our family, the people we work with, those things that we've been missing so much and that makes us feel alive. We're going to try to bring some color, we're going to try to bring it back to life, and as we go along in the next weeks we will be adding more and more color, and hopefully that will be a sign that things at some point will go back to normal. But in the meantime, we're gonna keep decorating our window gardens, and we're gonna make a nice displays to share with other people. So because I'm looking now from where I am, I'm looking there and I can see that there is a green bush, and I think that's a good starting point. So before I start adding any proper leaves to the trees, a little bit of glue, PVA or homemade glue. So we're gonna start adding a bit more of that here. Okay, I'm gonna be a bit cheeky and I'm gonna add a little bit of the real thing. I don't know if it will stick or not, but we're gonna try and see what happens. Nice. Lots of leaves of similar shape would be, you can tear a little bit of paper, you can fold it a number of times, and this is something that we will also use later on when we do flowers. And yeah, basically, careful, I mean, you have to fold it, but not so that you cannot cut it, but yeah. And then with your scissors, you just go around, and then nice shape, leaf shape. And then with one single cut, I have like probably 8 leaves here. This one is gonna be for my mom, who lives abroad, and it's on her own, and I miss her and she misses me, and we cannot be together, but hopefully soon we will be able to. This is the end of our workshop number 2 in our window garden project. As you can see, the bare wintry forest that we had at the beginning with the lonely tree trunks has now become a bit greener. There are leaves sprouting here and there. The ground is full of different textures, and yeah, we've been, as I have been doing it, I've been trying to go back to friends, family, people who matter to me, and I've been trying to remember things, and I've been trying to use this project not only to make something beautiful that will be seen from the streets and that will kind of help us communicate with our neighbors, but also something that helps you to kind of, I don't know, get closer to yourself and to your thinking, your memories, and to the people you love, although we cannot be together. It's a way of bringing them back into our lives through these symbolic gestures. I hope you have enjoyed your second window garden workshop. We will carry on doing more of them. No more forests, we'll move on to something different the next time. But every time we're going to try to combine a little bit of a creative activity with something that can be therapeutic, that can inspire you, that can make you relax and communicate. So in a way, would like this to be a bit more transcendent, and just like any artist, any great artist is able to communicate with everyone, hopefully by doing something that is really truthful to who you are and to your memories and to the people you love, then that message will go through your window garden into the whole community and help us come together through doing something creative and beautiful.